How's my hair look?
Yeah, it looks great, man.
One of them crazy days in the restaurant business. But hey, you know, every day is a surprise. This Daddy Jack's go with the blues. Saffron. Guess what I'm gonna make? Paella. So these nice people from Leg Homes sent me this unit. Beautiful. It's a steamer. You can deep fry in it. Just incredible. I did some tamales in it last week. I was telling you about it, Glenn. And then here, I'll give you the plastic bag back. I'll say I never gave you anything metal. So, man, this thing is something else. You can deep fry in it even. It's up to 160 degrees centigrade. I love it, man. Pop top. So anyway, we're gonna give it a trial run with some. We'll do a paella. But first, I have my leeks, some kielbasa sausage. We don't have any Orsini, raw Orsinis. I'm gonna put a little bell pepper, a little red onion. But I'm gonna show you how to cut up a chicken first off. So what we do is we cut the wing off, and the parts we're not going to use, we'll put. I got a stock pot working, and let me get one of these plates. Okay. So then, so you buy a whole chicken at home. You know, you can eat off it for a week. See? Snap that back. Then there's a joint. See where that joint is right there? Cut through. I always like to crack this bone. Okay? Then you got the thigh. Then that's a little knuckle will go in the stock pot. Now this is pretty cool. It's called an airline breast. You leave the leg bone in, and just come down. Follow it. See, now that's the real nice restaurants. They do that. Serve it with the airline breast with that bone in. But I'm going to take it off for this particular dish. Got a little bit of a little bit of an injury there, but you see that in chickens when they slaughter them. But that's the tender. That's the chicken tender. That's the airline breast, or that's just the regular nice skin on. Nobody does skin on breast anymore in restaurants. That's where all the flavor is. So here we got this side now. Okay, put the bone in. Give me a little hard time this one. I use a bigger knife sometimes when I'm butchering the chicken. Then, so I'm just going to take this wing off. Okay. You know, you take these pieces, the wing, the tenders, the wings, bread them up. I might do that later. And you know, you got yourself a little meal. You got the wings and thighs, you got the breast, and here, I like to break it up a little bit. Just break it up. And then we're going to simmer that up for our stock. We'll be right back. Well, here. See, we got two nice breasts. What you can do is make a nice stuffing underneath. Goat cheese, spinach, whatever you want. Put them underneath. You know, brown it off, turn it over. It's a quick dinner right there. And you know, they charge you an arm and a leg. You cut that breast in half. You got it pounded out. They charge $4 for a pack. $4 for a pack of skinny, thin chicken breast. You got the whole chicken for $8, and it's a nice chicken. It's organic. Most grocery stores these days have organic chickens. So we're going to clean up here a little bit, and then we'll be right back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut for the paella. I'm going to cut these pieces in half. Okay. Well, so much in half. That didn't come out so good.
No.
But anyway, we'll do the same thing with the okay, the thigh. You got a real sharp knife like a cleaver, they go right through it. So let's season this up. A little blackened seasoning. I got some of this kielbasa. I wish I had some raw sausage. Like I said, Paula's bringing some down later. Let's get a little nice brown on it. Brown everything up a little bit, we'll be right back. The sound of that sizzle, baby. Huh? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And the stock is going good. I love that chicken poached like that. At home when I do that, a carcass like that, I sit down and eat it right off. Okay, so right into that bad boy. I don't have a name for it yet. I'll figure it out. I know it's a she. Maybe you can help me out there. Somebody give me a good name for it. Maybe I'll send it to you. So, we got rice. Man, I'm using some Uncle Ben's. Don't hate me. And then, no marijuana in there, that's good. Sometimes we pop these open and find some marijuana. I hide the matches in there because you never can find matches around here. Okay. Saffron used to be like $100 something a can. Now it's $20. I don't know what happened. One of those things that went down over the years. So we're going to brown it up real nice. Actually has some leeks. I'll put them in there now. Let it all cook together. A little bit of bell pepper. I'll show you this here. Don't waste anything on the bell pepper. See that? Pull that out. The rest of it's good. It's all good. Oh, I hate these labels. Careful with your rice. You don't want to. We don't want to burn it. We'll turn the fire down. All right. Now we got our nice stock. Nice beautiful chicken stock right there. And just barely cover right over the top. Couple peppers. So what I'll do is here, drop a few clams in. And that'll give it some nice flavor, and that'll give it some tremendous flavor. And I love it when you open it up and the saffron rice is cooked up into the clam. Now we just got to figure out how to turn this bad boy on. Okay, so the menu, we'll go soup. We'll go 1 hour. We'll go about 40 minutes. 50 minutes from now, Glenn, and we'll see what we got. But steam comes out the top. I love this. I love this unit. I can't wait to really mess around with it. Like, it's like a crock pot. It's like a little fry later. I'm in love with it. Okay? Be right back. All right. Hey, Jack. So we finished with this dishing out the paella. Elect Holmes worked like a champ. There she is. Paella Valencia. Bon appetit. I highly recommend one of these units. You can fry in it, bake in it, steam. You can fry chicken, rice dishes, and air fry in it. Sky's the limit. Highly recommended. Hey, Jack's go with the blues.